Fine. So first of all, before moving on to the price and volume concept, first a trader need to understand what are you doing, because nowadays many traders jump from one strategy to another very easily. Try to understand. If you get an option, I'll tell you this is very very important. If you get an option to choose any one or two from this entire slot, okay, price action, indicator based trading, level based trading, and any other tools or etc concept, if you get an option to choose, you need to make sure to just choose one or two and just make sure to master it. Okay, no point in, sir, I'll be trading price action, I'll be also using indicator, and then I'll be jumping to level based trading, and then after a few days someone from social media will just post some fancy charts and I'll be jumping to the charts. No, this is not the way real profits can be made. It can be become only a dream of making profits if you are jumping from one place to another. So better focus on one or two things and try to make sure to master it. That is the only way where you can be a consistently profitable trader. Okay, so I have to make your choice. If you have not made your choice, just I'll be making the slide again. What is your main focus? You are more focused on price action, indicator based trading, level based trading, or any other tools you are using? Are you sticking to one or two things? If yes, let me know what you are more comfortable to trade on the chat box, because I'll tell you everyone have their own style of trading. Okay, if you ask me to add two three indicators and do trading, I'll be not much comfortable to do my trading. So I'll be more not interested on this indicator base, because I have tried it, it doesn't suit my style of trading. Okay, so now you have to make your choice. This is very very important. You have to make your choice. Okay, so this is the simplest roadmap where which a profitable trading or a profitable trader who want to make profits consistently, these are the four major steps, or I can tell you these are four key steps which a trader has to follow. There is no other way. Okay, first of all you need to identify, this is what last side was speaking, identify what suits you, what sticks to you, and just stick to it. Because if I'll tell you, if you are more comfortable with price action and for the few days price action trades are not working, no point in jumping to any other thing. That means you are not sticking to it. You have no idea what you are doing, just jumping from one system to another, one strategy to another, one concept to another. I'll tell you it's useless. You are just wasting your more precious time. Better start focusing, think that which is suits you, how to identify which style of trading suits you. Very simple way. For example, if you are trading with price action and once you are in the trade, I would repeat, once you are in the trade during live market, are you able to stay silent when the market, when you are in the trade? Whether your mind is calm, relaxed enough when you are in the trade? Because if your mind is not so relaxed, then automatically you don't have confidence on that particular concept. Just randomly you are taking a trade, you cannot sustain on it. In just 1 or 2 months or two or three stop loss gets triggered, you will be jumping from the one strategy to another. It's useless. Second, automatically there is no other way. You have to learn from the mistakes. You have to learn from the step one. You will be making mistake. It's not like, sir, I have 5 years of experience, I have 10 years of experience, I have 25 years of experience in the market. Still traders will make mistake. So no point in try to become 100% accuracy or 100% accurate. You will be not making any mistakes. No, that is not the way trading works. Even a 25 years, 30 years experienced traders still make mistakes. So better learn from it. Point number three, this is the most important part which most traders ignore this. You have to manage your risk. There is no other way. Because traders just like that losing 10%, 20%, 30% of their capital very easily waste. Okay, so this is the fourth step. Profit will automatically come. So if you're just following, sticking to these three things, automatically profits will come. But what most traders do, Now, first of all, they have no idea what they are doing. They cannot able to identify which is suiting their style of trading, and sticking to it very important, sir. Suddenly, someone is posting something, some fancy charts, fancy indicators. If you are jumping to that, then it's a problem. If you are a price action trader, it's problem in your mindset. Okay, so let's move on to today's concept. Okay, let's move on to the today's concept. Am I audible, right? Just can anyone confirm in the chat box? If anyone is facing issue, just re-log in. Simple. Let's go into today's concept, that is candlesticks, volumes, and price-based volume. There are two things in the market. Most traders just look at the bottom volume chart and just think they know everything about volume. Try to understand that is not the way real volumes or real trading is done. Okay, I'm audible, right? Fine, fantastic. So let's get started in terms of, let's speak about, there are two things here. One is the price based volume and the second one is the level, this one candlesticks volumes. So first of all, try to understand. I will tell you what are these two things here. I will be using the chart and I will be explaining you what are these two things here. One, that is the candle based volume, which you could see on your bottom, which everyone use nowadays on their own trading. Candlesticks based volume, the volume which has been plotted on the bottom. Try to understand what is this volume. This volume is for the entire 5-minute candle throughout. What is the total volume which is being traded in this full 5-minute candle or whatever time frame candle on one individual candle. Okay, so one individual candle, how much is the total net volume that is being calculated and plotted on the bottom of the chart. This is called as volume bar. Very simple. Okay, but most traders get super excited, sir. This is red color candle, red color volume, sir. That means sellers are coming. This is green color volume, sir. That means buyers are coming. Try to understand, this is not the way trading or way in which the volume should be used. Okay, this is net volume. If here there are 1 lakh volumes and the candle is closing red, the color of the volume bar will be plotted automatically red in color. Okay, even here, if we are looking at this green color here, which has been plotted on this candle, green color, candle close is green. That is the reason it is plotted on green color. So if you are just anyone using volumes like this, sir, suddenly red color volume coming in, sir, I will go and take a short side trade. Get your stop loss gets triggered very easily. Okay. So no point in just jumping in by looking at, sir, suddenly red color volume pumping in, suddenly green color volume pumping in. Try to understand. I will tell you very simplest way. The volumes which is being pumped in here. If you are looking at this day, volume suddenly look at the rise in volume aggressive, then why the price has not made any down move. Try to understand, this is the net volume included. This is one thing which is called as candlesticks based volume. Okay, candlesticks based volume nowadays have many disadvantages. Point number one, it is just a volume bar based on the color of the candle, it's get plotted. And the second thing is, it easily trapped by showing volume colors. Okay, suddenly there might be 1 lakh volumes, and then if the candle is closing, candle closes red, automatically the volume color will be red in color. This is not meaning कि sellers are coming in every time. Try to understand that nowadays these are all the color. The color is the one of the important factor. Candle color, volume color, which is being shown in front of you on the candlestick charts. Maximum that or those type of categories are used to trap retail traders. Okay, moving on to the next one. Second is the price based volume. Here I'll be today talking about a free tool. Okay, you're not going to do anything in terms of paid or anything. It's just a simple free tool which is available on almost all trading view platforms or any broker who's providing trading view version of chart for free, that is this one. You could see on your left, could see a tabular columns here, a big tab which has been formed here. You could see here on your left side corner. In that there is an option where you will be getting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7th icon, in which you will get an option called fixed range volume profile. Okay, again it is a free tool, nothing paid here, anything here. It's a complete free tool. Here now I'll be telling you first of all what this does. Once I am clicking on this fixed range volume and I want to plot, for example, if I want to focus on my next trading session, there are various ways to use this tool which is more easily available to everyone. One, it will ask you only two things. It will ask you starting point, it will ask you ending point. Okay, starting point and ending point, very simple. Just look at this. I'll be clicking here, it will be dragged till the point it can go. If I want to end here, automatically I can click on here and I'll be getting volumes on every individual price level. You could see here, I'll zoom and show you, but this is what the range which you are selecting. Based on that you will be getting it automatically. So it will ask you only two things. Number one is the what, starting point, and it will ask us the ending point. So here this can be very important from now. Okay, I'll be not going the session very boring. I'll be not doing that. I'll be quickly or make sure to explain you the concept in a pretty clear way, okay, which can help you in your trading. Okay, so make sure you can stay connected on the session fully. Maximum I'll be doing this today's session 11:15 to 11:30 only. If anyone have not taken your notepad and pen with you, make sure have a notepad and pen with you so you can noted down the points. So first of all, before starting the session, let's understand what's your Sunday morning energy and what's your open mindset. Just type yes in the chat box or ready in the chat box. Okay, just type yes in the chat box or just type ready in the chat box if you are more energetic, more passionate to learn and understand a new concept in today's session. It's not a new concept, it's available for many years, but way in which it should be used are completely different. Okay, it depends on individual trader to trader. Let's see first of all how many are more passionate and how many have more energy ready to learn. Just make sure type ready or yes in the chat box quickly. Chalo, fantastic, great. So let's start. So well, I will tell you this is very simple, sir. It's nothing much complicated. If anyone in front of your screen or even on your mobile phones, you can check the any trading view platform. Is not like you need again free version only, no paid version. Even on the trading view free version you will get an option, or any broker which provides trading view charting tool, you can cross check with them also. They will be also having this option. It's called very simple on your, probably if the icon will be looking like this, you will not get directly. You can just click on the individual and you can cross check it, where you can on the 7th icon you will be getting this last option, fixed range volume profile option, and try to understand the way this fixed range volume profile is completely different with the traditional volume profile. Both are not same. It's there will be difference because in this fixed range where we have to select from point A to point B, automatically things get plotted accordingly from point A to point B. This is how the plotting is being done here. Okay, now let's take various examples here. First of all, let me tell you what are all the things which will be available here on this fixed range volume profile. Let's say I am starting from this 9:15 candle of 21st December and I am clicking till here, probably till 12 p.m. I have clicked this. Okay, so till 12 p.m. I have clicked all the things here. Okay, Just a minute. Okay, fine. So what I have done is from morning 9:15 till 12 p.m. I have clicked everything to get the volume. So here first of all, what is this? You might be new to this concept, you might be already aware of it, but those who are new to it, let me tell you what is this bar. Continuous various bars are which is getting plotted here non-stop continuously. This is called volumes. Normal volumes, how it will be looking? Normal volumes will be looking like this. You can think this as a reverse version. This is volume at individual candle. For every candle the volumes get plotted. This volume which is been the fixed range volume, we can choose any range. That is what I told, starting point till ending point. Both we have to fix. Right? So here I have choose the starting point of morning 9:15 to 12 p.m. So all this is then volumes at individual price levels. Okay, volumes at individual price levels. If we want, we can make or change the setting, but as of now it is not required to do any major change in the settings. So let's make it in a normal fixed setting, standard setting itself. Okay, so what is the use of this? Always try to understand where there is more volumes. You could see in this there are, I will be not much complicating anything here. I will be more focused on the today's session on only few things. Jump where the volume is higher, where the volume is higher. So in this range from morning 9:15 to till 12 p.m. where are the three zones in which volumes are higher? This is what I am doing is, if I want to focus and plan my trade during the trading session. For example, let's say time is 12 p.m. 12 p.m. on Monday morning or any other trading session, time is 12 p.m. So from now, if I want to understand what is the market participants who have done their trading from 9:15 till 12 p.m. Okay, till 12 p.m. I want to understand what is the market reaction, what is the participants are trying to do, where the volumes are coming in at individual levels. Okay, try to understand these volumes are very traditional, the volume bar which you could see on the bottom. So no point in focusing on that today's session. I'll be even turning off that volumes here, so you can understand in a pretty way. My focus in where are the volumes which are higher. जहाँ पे volumes ज़्यादा है, where are the volumes which are higher? That means more the number of volume, more the traders, more the market participants are ready to more stay around, trade around those particular levels. More orders are getting filled. Once more orders are getting filled, that is where the volume will start increasing stage by stage as time goes. This is what I want to do. If I am trading, probably I am in front of the system by 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. or any other time, I'm into the system after 10:30. That is what during the day. During the day to find out opportunity. How to find out, how I personally use it, I'll be explaining you. But first, this is the simplest thing. And you could see one more here. This, anything beyond this top, the color of this is lighter color, this is light color, and this is dark color here. You could see three differences, two differences. This is the light color thing. Just a minute. Okay, so this is two things here, the volumes which is also plotted here, but these are light in color, this is dark in color. This is 70% of the range. Okay, this is the 70 percentage of the range where maximum price has taken place in the span which I have selected from morning 9:15 to 12 p.m. is the slot which I have selected, right? Till this point, you will be getting the volumes on the individual price level, in which 70 percentage of the zone where which price has more taken place. This is the point, this is the zone where 70% of trading has taken place. That is the reason why it is light in color and this is dark in color. Okay, so this is the thing which you need to understand now. There are many things here. Volumes are spiking up here, spiking up here, spiking up here. So now how to use this? First of all, there are two stages of using this. Point number one, I will be telling you. If you want, you can note it down the timing also, which might be more useful. Better, I will be writing it down here in a text format that can become more easy for you traders. Okay, if I want to focus or plan for next day, I want to focus or plan for next day, what I'll be doing here? My focus will be on, why I'm writing it down here to make it more easy for you. If you can even remember here, if I want, I'll be explaining you different approach when I want to plan so that I can select from point A to point B to get the volume at the selected levels. If I want to focus or plan for the next day, what I'll be doing? I will use previous days. Previous days entire range. Previous days entire range I'll be using. Okay. If I want to do it on live, okay, for example, we can choose any range. For example, you are in front of the screen by 11 a.m. Then automatically what I'll be doing from 9:15 to 11 a.m. What is the action? I'll be checking. This is my process. This is what it will be changing as time goes, as what you are selecting. This is how it gets changed individually. If I want to plan for next day, then I'll be more focused on previous day's entire range. If I want to do it during market, I am 11 a.m. is the time now. For example, I am front of the screen. I'll be choosing from morning till 11 a.m. What is the action? One more thing I'll be choosing that I'll be explaining you right now. For example, on this session, I want price is continuously moving down. I'll be not interested to chase the price. Okay, because look at the price of this day. For example, this trading session, what was the activity? Morning price trying to move up and then price quickly continuously forming red color candle, right? So here price went up, completely reversed back and made a new day low. One more way to use it during live market. First, I'll be explaining you the concept, different styles in which it can be used during live market. Okay, with the current live chart which is in front of you, which is available in front of you. For that reason, I'll be waiting for any kind of sideways action, because generally try to understand how market moves. First of all, you need to understand market cannot move in a straight line. Cannot move in a straight line. If it is moving, it cannot sustain. So better how the market goes, trying to move up slightly goes into sideways, trying to move up or give some pullback. If it is trying to continues to move up, it will go into sideways and then it will continue to move up. So here, why the prices are going into sideways or giving a pullback? Because at different level, higher level sellers will also try to come in for a defend. This is very practical. Same on the downside, if price want to move down, if it is moving down, it will take some time here. It will move down, it will make some pullback or take some time here and then it can drag further down. So my focus on today's session during the live, okay, during the live market, if I want to get live understanding of the where the market participants are more interested or taking their positions or creating their volumes or placing their more orders, executed orders. This is not about limit orders placed. Again repeating, it's not about limit orders placed. The volume which has been plotted, which you have seen few minutes back, it is the executed order. Okay, so my main focus here is to understand, just to follow them. My main focus by using this volume which I am plotting randomly here, using this is to This action, for example, a price went up, came down, sideways happening, this action has already happened. So what's next? What's next? For that, what I want is, I want to go with the flow of the market. That is the reason I have plotted VWAP here. Okay, try to understand. I have plotted VWAP. That is the main reason here. If market is trying to move up, in this entire zone, there will be different layers of price where Jampe more traders would have been interested and less traders who have been interested. To my fine focus, I have seen this. What's next? Whether after this can I get any opportunity? Can I able to take any trades further for the trading session? Okay, this is where you can utilize this on in terms of live during the market hours. Okay, so for example, my main focus is morning price is moving up. This kind of free flow activity, moving up, moving down, free flowly, better I'll be waiting here. And I want, because I have a clear idea, price cannot move up straight line, price cannot move down straight line. It has to pause, it has to spend some time. So I want a kind of a sideways action which is being developed. This is what is my requirement. In today's session, again, there are, as I mentioned, there are various ways to use it, but one way I'll be sharing in today's free webinar, because one at a time, if I just try to explaining everything, you might get completely confused. So one at a time, this is where here in today's session my focus is on jump price is more sideways. I want to see, because many traders just waste their time in doing blind prediction. Once market goes into sideways, they blind predicting, sir, market will move up, sir, market will move down. These kind of blind prediction can make you or help you to make profits one or two times, but not more than that. Maximum times traders blame or traders get trapped in this kind of false breakout. Okay, in this kind of false breakout. So now, as I mentioned, if the price is free flowing up and down, I'll be not disturbing here in today's session, today's concept. I want the market to stay sideways. For how much time span? Sir, you have mentioned sideways. I'm using 5-minute ka Bank Nifty future time frame. So I will tell you how much is the time in span in which the market has to stay sideways. What I personally believe is minimum 30 minutes is a decent time span. Jampe price staying sideways in a tight range, 25 to 30 minutes is a decent time span from my experience of 8 years. 25 to 30 minutes price staying sideways is a pretty decent time span. Okay, so now very simple. Market is trying to free flow up and down. Everything is done, because here you can look at this. Price was trying to go sideways but immediately continued towards downside. Okay, so here look at this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 candles, 30 minutes is done. So now what I am doing is, this is the high and this is the low. Okay, which is very simple. Of this 30 minutes sideways, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles of 30 minutes sideways action. Right, so now you can have a question, sir, whether we will be going in for take a breakout trading or pullback rejection trading. Okay, because breakout nowadays everyone are doing it, sir. Okay, try to understand this current market or current in this particular calendar year, especially nowadays everyone are more interested to do breakout trading, because now after market I can easily plot this. Okay, price was in sideways, this was false breakout and then down move came. This looks more simple, more easy to tell. Okay, very easy to understand, very easy to tell. Now wait, after market everything looks very easy. Now where I'll be using this fixed range volume profile tool, after 25-30 minutes of sideways, I'll be checking what is the low and high of this 30-minute sideways action. I repeat, I'll be checking what is the high and low of the 30-minute sideways price action. Once I'm seeing this, until this high and low is clearly not breaking out, until I repeat again, until the high and low is clearly not breaking out, I'll be not plotting my fixed range volume profile. Okay, that means this is the high of the 30 minutes high and low. Jampe price went into sideways. until price is not clearly breaking out. Yeah, price trying to break out, but look at the candle closing inside the same range. Trying to break out inside, trying to break inside, closes inside this range I only. Here look at this, price is expanding out. So my focus is I'll be plotting this fixed profile from this point till the candle before which I got a breakout. Okay, that means this is my plotting. You can see here I will be zooming in. This is the sideways which has started here, 30 minutes high, low, clear candle breaching out, price trying to breach, but the close is inside the range. Wait, clear candle breaching, close is not there. Here look at this, price breaching this high, clearly closing outside. So now my main focus here is this is the range. Starting is here, an ending point, one candle before which the price got any kind of breakout here. Clean enough, this is the point. I have done it. I have plotted the volume thing, fixed volume profile. Now, where is the price? Important is, अब देखेंगे where is the price. First of all, comparing to the VWAP, where is the price? Comparing to the VWAP is my only focus. Price is clearly trading below the VWAP. Price is not above the VWAP. Price is clearly trading below the VWAP. Matlab, somehow to an extent sellers are dominating this today's session so far till the point until price is not trading more above the VWAP. Till the time bearish or bears are trying to dominate the market. This is very practical, very simple to understand. Okay, so one thing is clear, but यहाँ पे breakout is happening on the upside. Price is below the VWAP. And look at this, price is morning trying to move down, going into sideways. Look at this, try to understand very simple factor. Point number one is price when it is moving down, it takes some time. By any chance, if you want to continue to move up, either it can go down, trap and reject. Okay, either it can straight away go down or trap or reject. In today's session, what I mentioned, I'll be focusing on sideways and I'll be focusing on two things here. First of all, I'll be not focusing on breakout. I'll be not focusing on breakout, but I'll be focusing on two things. Failed breakout, pullback. I'll be directly not focusing on the breakout here in today's session to make you understand. I'll be focusing more on false breakout and pullback. Why? What is the current market? You need to be flexible with the current market conditions. Current market condition is not a one-sided trending market. When I say about one-sided trending market, still to an extent broader market on bigger time frame, trend is not so clear कि price is continuously weekly and weekly closes clearly continuously moving on closing below the previous week's low or continuously forming a lower high formations. Nothing is happening or lower low formation. Market is in a tight range. And if I am checking in on a daily time frame, market is only in a tight range. If you're not believing me, I'll be showing you on a daily time frame. Just look at this, where is the price on bigger time frame, on daily time frame. Price यहाँ पे slowly trying to move up, move down, move up, going overlapping here, overlapping here, one more overlap, and now it is trying to come down. Okay, where it is coming? Inside this same zone only. Okay, inside the same zone only. Up move, steep pullback, up move, again trying to make a pullback. Here whether the now most traders waste their time in predicting, sir यहाँ से price नीचे जाएगा, whether it will move down or it will reject and move up. Sir, if your only focus is on intraday trading, no point in doing any kind of blind predictions. Okay, because here two stages, very basic stages which is possible. This is the breakout high, swing high which got breaked out, consolidated, clearly breaked out. Price is approaching back to the same zone. यहाँ से either price can reject or come down. For intraday trader, both the way we are focused intraday trading on more on a shorter time frame chart to take positions. तो यहाँ पे बिगर टाइम फ्रेम पे प्रिडिक्ट करना इज ऑफ नो यूज. Rather than understand, still market is in this range only, 2000 points range, 42,000 to 44,000 something here for the past 1.5 month. Okay, now again it is going into this one more wide range जहाँ पे price was more overlapping, sudden move, gap up move, again sideways, again up, again sideways, again up, again sideways, now trying to come down. Okay, price कहीं ना कहीं if you are checking from the month of September till current month, it's marked Bank Nifty is in a 5,000 points range. Bank Nifty is in a 5,000 points range for more than September, October, November and December is almost there to get completed. तो यहाँ पे कोई price is slowly making the high, but look at daily candles. If you are looking at daily candles, and especially those who are doing option buying in directional trading on index, you know what's happening here. Prices 10-15 days sideways, suddenly trying to move up, again small candles, again small candles, trying to move up, gap up, again small overlapping tight range, again trying to move up. This range is slightly expanding, now trying to come up. Look at this sideways on daily time frame, which is happening for the past many trading sessions. So this market is not like the market which was here. If you are looking this, for example, this one Jan month, यहाँ पे look at this, continuous daily time frame candles are just trying to move up and up. Okay, slowly, steadily, but the up move is straightforward. This is not the current stage of market. For the past 2-3 sessions market, yes, it is trying to come down continuously. Now need to see what's this high swing high which was made as a breakout, whether price is more trading below it, and if it is continuing move up, then the direction is getting trying to give a one-sided direction. My main focus is one-sided market is whether one-sided up or one-sided down. This is what most traders focus. My main focus is only two things, whether the market is directional or sideways. मुझे सिर्फ इतना ही जानना है whether market is directional or sideways. If the market is direction, automatically volatility will increase. If the market is sideways, volatility will be very less. But both simple. If the market is more sideways, and if I want to make more trade on a directional trading basis, more trade on a breakout, this can more become a false breakout. Try to understand, as I am speaking on a tight range expansion on the upside and downside, try to understand the market on bigger time frame is more into sideways or in a tight range, and if you are more focused to trade on a breakout trading, more the chance of failure is there. Okay, more the chance of failure is there. Same way here, price is sideways, trying to make a breakout on the upside, but price is below VWAP. Below VWAP, planning a bullish trade, I'll be not doing that blunder mistake. Never in my trading. Maximum time and price is near to the VWAP. Okay, I'll be not going against the VWAP because VWAP is so powerful. I'll be VWAP is so powerful. No point in going against VWAP. प्राइस बोल रहा है कि प्राइस मोर स्टेइंग ऑन द बिलो द VWAP, मतलब प्राइस इज बिलो द VWAP. नो पॉइंट इन doing any kind of stunt there in going against the VWAP. Okay, so this is what the range I have selected. How I have selected, I have mentioned the range is marked, everything is fine, price is below the VWAP. Now what is the use of this volume profile which is being marked here? I've been talking so much here, different things here. What is the use of the VWAP? This thing will give you two informations. Point number one, where is the high volumes is being traded? Where are the more volumes is getting traded? First of all, price trying to make a breakout, trying to stay here, price is below the VWAP, reversing back to the same zone. Obviously, if price is coming below this is the point where is highest volumes is there. This is the one line which has been plotted here. I'll be not taking it as single line, I'll be taking it as a particular zone. So यहाँ पे you could see the volumes are higher here. Highest volume which is being plotted here, I'll be extending this zone. Look at this, price trying to make a breakout, price below the VWAP, and if you are taking a bullish breakout, it's something mistake on your trading because price is below the VWAP and taking a bullish breakout near the VWAP, no use. Price trying to make consolidate here, not sustaining, reversing back down. So my main focus here is where is the price? Price is again coming back to the point where Jampe high volume was there. In this range, highest volume was near the middle of the zone only, the highest volume was there. But price is easily crossing this zone. Price is easily crossing the zone. So where I am focusing here is very important. In this entire sideways, which I plotted, okay, I could have choose this high, I could have choose this low to focus. Why I am focusing here? Middle of the zone, jump volumes were more the volumes. If that volumes is been failed, for example, all in this entire volume range, both bulls and bears would have participated. That means those traders who are expecting price to move up, call option traders, future bullish buyers, bearish traders, futures short side traders and put option traders, everyone will be participating. That is the reason included the volumes comes in. So this is the future chart, so you'll be seeing only future volumes. That means if I am practically speaking, bullish buyers and bearish sellers will be participating. Matlab, after looking at this breakout and price going into sideways, right? Next price reversing back down. Very important is this is the same zone. Yahan pe now my focus is what is the reaction. Only two things I'll be checking. What is the reaction? Matlab, yahan se these volumes who are coming in, whether are they coming in for a different, whether they are coming in for a different in pushing the price up, or price is easily crossing this zone. Only two factors I'll be checking. Because my reaction point is very simple. Jahan pe zyada volumes are higher, I'll be focusing there. Right? Price when it is again coming to the same point, that is where I'll be focusing. I'm not bothered price is making a breakout. If it is moving up, no problem. I'll be not disturbing that. My focus is when jahan pe volumes are high, my focus is to check that zone, number one. Next, I'll be checking the highs. These are two things. On the next, I'll be checking the low of the range. Wherever the price is coming quickly. Yahan pe price is easily crossing the high of the breakout. Price is clearly crossing the volume zone entirely. Matlab मान लो everything got engulfed in a single candle. Next candle going into sideways. But remember one more thing. You could see a red line here. This line is called as point of control. Point of control, or I can say volume point of control. If I want to precisely tell, VPOC, volume point of control. Matlab, this is the level, exact level where which more the maximum volume got traded. If I want a single level, if I want a range, I will be choosing this entire range. Yahan pe volumes were high because in this entire zone, this is the only location where the volumes were high. I'll be choosing this. If I want a particular level, I'll be choosing this volume point of control. Price aggressively crossing this zone. Price aggressively crossing the volume point of control. Price aggressively crossing this volume zone. Failed breakout. Price is below the VWAP. Okay. Now, all the informations are more comfortable, conveniently trying to tell me one thing. That is, buyers are trying to fail. Okay. Buyers are trying to fail. Now, failed breakout, there are various ways to trade. One way is to directly below this low, planning a short side trade because price is easily crossing the VPOC, price is volume point of control, price is easily crossing the entire sideways volume range, everything very quickly. Okay, and straight away trying to aggressively move towards downside. Now, there are two locations, two ways. One, directly as the breakout is already failed, straight away below this low planning a bearish trade, or waiting for a pullback rejection to plan a trade. Again, it depends on your own style of trading, your own individual approach towards trading. This I'll be leaving up to you. What suits you, you can try to understand it. But can you understand with this, without this volume, just think about it. I will hide this. Without this volumes, most traders will focus on only here, high and low. Okay, price is struggling here, trying to reverse back. I'll be planning a fail breakout straight away. Right? Fail breakout straight away. But this is traditional. If you are doing the same traditional way and expecting profits, means like this, lakhs and crores of traders will be doing. So just by looking at this, sir, price is making a fail breakout, sir, below this low, I'll be planning my short side trade. Are you taking trade with confidence? Are you taking trade with confident mindset? That is important. Are you taking the trade with confident mindset? That is important. But here, once I've shown you this volume thing, right? Yeah, I'm getting information, sir. This is called as live information. Most traders waste their time on just, sir, I'll be seeing candle pattern, sir. I'm not telling candle pattern will not work. Okay, and this will only work. No, definitely no. But what most traders just do blind prediction, sir. Price यहाँ से sideways कर रहा है. Whether it will move up or move down. Useless thought process. Better get the information from the charts. This is how the real information can be taken from the chart, but most traders नहीं sir. हमको सिर्फ एक strategy बता दो, price moving average crossover, I'll be jumping and buying. This happens, that happens, I'll be jumping and buying. No. Even trading a breakout or failure breakout, you need to have a clear understanding of one thing. Where is the price? Price is if it is near to VWAP, whether it is above or below VWAP. You need to have that information. Very, very, very important. Right? Can you understand what I have been explaining you? Yes, no. Just type yes if you're understanding, no if you're not understanding. Any doubts you can ask me on the. This can be applicable because as I mentioned, I'll be more focused today on towards this current market during live market decision making, and I'll be focusing price. It's not about only box pattern or anything. I want price to sideways 30, 25, 30 minutes. Then I'll be plotting it down and be cross checking what is the action. Before just blindly I am not predicting this will happen, that will happen. I'll be looking at the price zone jump I need to give importance, and then I'll be reacting to see first of all what is the reaction of the candles. Based on that, aram se I'll be more comfortable to execute or plan my trades. Okay, one question is this available on Fires? I have not checked, sir. If Fires are providing this trading view charting platform, you can cross check it. There will be an option here. It will not be straight away available. You have to click here and check this fixed. You will be seeing this icon here. Okay, this icon on any trading view available free charting platform. Don't spend any money to get this fixed volume profile. You'll be seeing this option here, icon here. Click on this and you can see this fixed range volume profile at last.
What's that time?
So you will be automatically getting this information. One question is, can be used in 15-minute time frame, sir? Any time frame. That is what reason I have mentioned you one thing. You have to understand, very simple, sir. Very, very simple. I'll be telling you. Identify what suits you. Any time frame as per your comfort, things will work. Okay, things will work. Try to understand if you're using any chart IQ platform, and don't just search for any volume profile indicator and add that. That is not the same. As I mentioned, it is different from the fixed volumes. fixed volume will get, and starting to ending point we can choose as per our requirement. Okay, volume, if anyone is searching on the chart IQ volume profile thing, that is different. Try to understand, it will show you the entire range. जहाँ से chart is, for example, if chart till this point to till here, entire thing will be come in the volume column here. But here this fixed volume is pretty simple. Or if you don't have any broker which is providing TradingView chart or anything, just go to the TradingView website, just log in. Don't even choose any 30 days trial or anything else, just log in it. On the free version also you will be getting it. I'll be showing you, just googling. I'm just searching TradingView here and I'm just opening TradingView. I've just signed in. I have not taken, look at this on your top right, I have not taken any 30 days trial or anything. I've just signed in. Products charts. Okay, products chart. Simply I'm just clicking on this icon, fixed range profile. जहाँ से जहाँ तक आप select करना है, done. You'll be getting this fixed range volume. Very simple. Here again in this fixed range volume, there are multiple things which can be used here. As of now, I'll be more going in stage by stage, one by one. There are 70% concept is something different which can be also used. Okay. 70% analysis concept which can be also used. There are multiple things which can be mixed and used, but one thing at a time, what I feel is a better. Okay, I'll do option any other day or any other thing which you want to, any other particular trading day you want, let me know in the chat box. I will try to take 1 or 2 dates. Okay, 1 or 2 dates which might benefit you traders. Any dates, comment in the chat box. Okay, okay, let's take one day which has been told by this date was told by Shiva cells. Plus please do analyze on same day 12:30 to 1 p.m. Okay, 12:30 to 1 p.m. It's also a good example here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Huh. Price is expanding out here. Just look at this. How, why I'm selecting this time? Very simple. I'll be telling you once why I'm selecting this time. Here I have personally, this in this down move which came on Wednesday, I personally have taken a trade, but my exit was before. Not, I was not key. I will not tell I have captured this full move. Definitely no, because I was just playing with my risk to reward ratio where I had small risk to reward ratio. Okay, let me be very clear on, it's not like sir I have catched a full move, this that, no storytelling. Okay, look at this, and here why I'm selecting from this point till this point, I'll tell you. Here price started going into sideways, right? This is the high. Next 30 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the low. Here the price was in a tight range of 100 points. After the down move, it was in a range of 100 points. So this is the starting point. I'll be choosing here, point 1. Till what point I'll be choosing? Why I'm choosing till this candle is all because this is the low of the 30 minutes high and low sideways. Price clearly breaking this low, closing below it. Done. I've chosen this range. Now this range already I've selected here. Where is the highest volume? You could see there, we can see the highest volume which is available, right, in this sideways action. So now let me do one thing. Let me mark these levels. so it can make you very easy to understand, right? So this is the zone, highest volumes are there, this is the zone, and here we have VPOC, right? So now price trying to break everything is great, VPOC is here, volume high, volume low is here, and one more thing is this low and high of this sideways range, low and high of the sideways range, right? Now what I mentioned, I'll be choosing three factors. First, my importance is here in this volume area where the price is coming back. Second, low or high where the price, wherever price is coming back. So here, if the high has to come before this, the volume area has to breach. So my first priority is this, and my second priority is here. Now I'll be checking whether the price is coming to this volume zone. Yes, no, no. But price is staying here. What is this? Sideways action, low of the sideways action, more than 30-minute sideways action is done, the rule is done, low of it. Now my reaction, as I mentioned, I will be giving first priority here, second priority in this high and low of the breakout sideways zone, right? My first priority, price not even ready to came here, but on the second thing, the low, just check this, price trying to move up, not closing, trying to move up, reject, trying to move up, reject, trying to approach the zone, again rejecting. So this multiple rejection, my plan I have taken, I have personally updated on the Twitter, you can check this, below this low to plan a bearish trade with just a stop loss above this was my plan. तो मतलब कितना हुआ सर, 50 points का stop loss I had. My target was to capture that 100 points. Yes, I have captured that 100 point and I have booked my profits because this aggressive down move was not expected. Let me be very honest, no one was expecting this down move. I was just playing with my risk to reward ratio. If you can also defaultly check on my Twitter handle, on the same day 21st I have updated the level of my NT somewhere around, I think 223 was the option, put option I have entered and exited around. It was trading around 290, 300, but I got my exit around 282 levels because I was just playing for the risk to reward. So here what is happening, first priority price not came, so I'll be shifting my priority to the second side, price multiple time trying to reject. So now the question is, sir, price is trying to reject here, forming a bearish candle. Why can't we go and take a bearish trade below this and place a stop loss here? That can be the question. I will be telling you. Yes, there is nothing wrong in taking price rejecting, immediately jumping in or waiting for the price consolidate and taking a bearish trade. Again, what is more comfortable? How much confidence you have once you are entering a trade? That is more important. That is what I believe. Either taking this low, price rejecting, below this low taking this, or below this candle low taking, or below this low taking as a breakdown trading, because price is multiple rejecting here, price is getting exhausted, not even ready to come to the volume zone. Just think about it, if price is not even ready to come to this volume zone but more ready to stay below this low, then the chances becomes more to push up or push down. Forget about this down move. Think practically, think logically, I'll be telling you. Okay. First, I'll be want to see the reaction here. Price not even came here. I'll be next checking the reaction in this low. Right? If the reaction price is not even ready to start trade above it, is trying to move up, rejecting, trying to move up, immediately rejecting here. Multiple rejections is more making me comfortable to execute my trades. Okay, and on the same trading session, I'll be telling you, on the same trading session, if I want to be very clear and very honest, I have not taken trade yet. Yes, I have missed taking a trade here because I was looking multiple things along with Nifty, stocks, options. I was checking it. Yes, I have missed to take the trade. This was one missed trade for the same 21st trading session, but this, based on the same concept, this I have got the trade. I was just playing with my risk to reward ratio. Risk to reward, very simple, sir. I look for 1:2 risk rewards, or minimum 1:1.5 is the minimum criteria I try to make sure to give. 1 is to 2 more better. 1 is to 1.5 is also, I don't say it is bad risk reward, it's fine and good risk reward. अगेन प्रतीक सर, आई टेल यू वन थिंग, यहाँ पे कोई चीज फिक्स्ड नहीं है सर कि इतना ही रिस्क रिवॉर्ड देखना है, 1:2 ही देखना है, 1:3 शुड बी चेक्ड. देयर इज नथिंग फिक्स्ड हियर. फर्स्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड यू आर ट्रेडिंग. If I am trading in the live market, I need to know till what point I will be staying calm enough once I am in the trade. Okay, if I'm more calm enough, comfortable to stay till 1:2 risk reward, fine. No sir, my mentality is not so calm to stay till 1:2. I'll be more comfortable to for 1:1.5. Your choice. Because यहाँ पे social media don't just more into go into social media and sir, this guy has told 1:3 will be better, that guy has told 1:2 will be better. It might be better for their own individual trading, but what suits you? You need to understand. That is the slide which I have taken. First point I mentioned in this roadmap of profitable trading. Can you see this point number 1? Identify what suits you. Just stick to it. Okay. One question is default VWAP and fixed volume. Sir, fixed volume profile is not default. Based on the range we have to select. VWAP is default settings. Okay. Most traders first year itself they are not stable, have a clean thought process ki which suits them, which does not suits them, and straight away they want to jump to the 4th stage of profit. No chance, sir. Okay, let me be very clear. Very less possibilities. First, identify, sir, what suits your style. Then learn. Then manage this. Then the profit will come. नहीं, हम most traders को क्या करना है, from the point 1, not even clear with the point 1, straight away point want 4th point, straight away want profits. No chance. This is the main reason. Now you will understand what is making you to lose money in the market. Can you understand? Many speak about profits, many speak about screenshots and everything. That is of no use for you. This is, I can tell you, kind of an clear roadmap which is in front of you. One question is, sir, can you take an example which is going high and crossing VWAP? Sir, let me know any dates, sir. Okay, let me know any dates where the example which you want, I'll be trying to take it. Okay, one question is, sir, whether this works on sideways market also. Yes, again you have to be more keen enough into check what's happening. Accordingly, you have to react. Sideways market, yes, but sideways market, where is the range? If it is more tight range or it is clearly above or below VWAP. When I say more tight range, if it is overlapping the VWAP, then it is kind of a slight problematic issue. Good. Same data I was checking, same thing from Viral Shah sir is 19th. Great example, sir. This is very important example. This is what I was speaking. When the price is overlapping like this, above below VWAP, this is not a sideways. Remember, this is not a sideways. Because what I am focusing on today's session, as I mentioned, there are various ways to use the fixed volume profile. One way I am focusing is to just follow the direction up or down, or to make sure to benefit from the failed breakout, false breakout. यहाँ पे price not ready with the direction. In the last example, we are checking price was ready, price was clearly below it, consolidating, failed breakout, below it, consolidating. Okay, so मतलब one thing is clear, price is clearly below VWAP or above VWAP. यहाँ पे price is overlapping VWAP. This will not, I will be not considering anything here in terms of sideways action here. Okay, now very simple. What can be considered here? Here price 1, 2, price is just trying to go stay in the same range only, right, for more than 30 minutes. 2, 4, 6, high is here, low is here, but price is not consolidating, it's slowly trying to move up. So I'll be waiting for few more minutes. If by any chance price is trying to come below and try to consolidate, then I'll be continuing it. Yes, it is trying to consolidate and trying to make a breakout. So one candle before this, I'll be using it. So here, why price is moving up, why I'm not considering this as a consolidation is all because price is slowly moving up, right? Without even breaking the previous candle's low. Matlab, this is not sideways. The price is sideways, it will overlap like this, or one candle here breaking high and low, next candle will break the low and it will come back up, break the high and come back down, right? Price trying to move up and then coming back down, again trying to move up. So this entire zone is the sideways until it is making a breakout. So I'll be considering this from this point till here. This is the range, very clear in terms of the range. Now what is my first priority? जहाँ पे volume ज़्यादा है, volumes high here, and we have this what? Volume point of control. I'll be marking the first volume zone here to make it more easy, and then I'll be zooming the chart. Just look at this. First of all, one thing to remember, where is the price comparing to the VWAP? Price is above the VWAP. Price is above the VWAP. And what is the next three zones I'll be more comfortable to focus? Point number 1 is this low volume zone and then the high, right? Now price is in this is the volume zone, price trying to break out, coming back down, great, agreed, right? Now my main focus is what is the reaction here, whether if it is continue to move down. Look at this low and VWAP is matching. I'll be not jumping in straight away on towards breakout. Why? Because price is still above the VWAP, right? Now main focus is to check what is the reaction here. Price trying to move down. This is the entire bigger range, high and low. Move down, move up, move down, move up, move down, move up and move down. What is happening here? What is happening here? Copy of the sideways action, paste of the same sideways action. So मतलब one thing is clear, यहाँ पे traders are not ready to reject or break out. मतलब यहाँ पे momentum is not there. Aggressive momentum or aggressive price action is not there. It is happening like the same thing. यहाँ पे price two candle moving down, moving up, moving down, moving up, moving down. Wavy formation which is happening here in the concentrated zone. Same thing was happening here also. Up, down, up, down, up, down action. Breakout, trying to come back, breaching this level. My focus is on this levels. What is the price reaction? Because low is here. VWAP is also very close. Price moving down, moving up, down, up, down, up, down, up and down. What's happening? Continuous for one more 30 minutes. Price is going again into sideways. Matlab, rather than thinking of any trade, no use, because if bulls are stronger, automatically they will reject the price. If bears are stronger, using this as a false breakout, they will drag the price towards downside. Nothing is happening. One more than 30 minutes, price is overlapping. So now my focus is to remove this volume, and I will be taking this entire extension of price action, because clue is not there. Because again price, where I have to concentrate in terms of volume, again it is going into sideways, right? Because try to understand, if you are a directional trader or option buyer, you need aggressive rejection. Okay, aggressive rejection, aggressively price crossing up, crossing down. These are the three things which can help a directional trader and option buyer to make money. Other than that, this kind of jump volumes there was an opportunity to reject or to breach and break this low, break the VWAP. Nothing was happening. Price was again 30 minutes trying to go into sideways. I'm just telling, less than 30 minutes is less, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45 minutes. Anything more than 20 to 25 minutes, again it is in a sideways. Matlab, what is happening? First of all, this was the range. Inside one more range is forming. Range is getting more narrower. So यहाँ पे not a directional trader, not an option buyer, no work from them. That is the reason I'm extending here. Why till this candle? Because इसके बाद price making and price trying to come below the VWAP, which was not happening here. First time it is happening for the trading session after price going into sideways. So one candle before that I'm considering it. Now what is my reaction? The volume zone is expanding. You look at this. This is the high volume. यहाँ तक volume है, right? So now what is my main focus here? Price is trying to go below the VWAP, breaking the low here. Now two things I'll be focusing because price is near the low. One, whether what is the reaction in this volume zone or in this low. What is the reaction? What's happening? Price trying to reject and give a follow through? No. Again trying to come back, coming back to VWAP, again trying to go inside this zone. Now what is happening inside the zone? Look at this, price coming inside the zone. यहाँ से there was a good chance volume this zone was there to reject here, which was trying to happen, but there was no strong rejection. Aggressively price rejecting and closing below VWAP aggressively, that can become an opportunity. But nine, price again going back, again sideways. What's happening? 2, 4, 6 candles again going into sideways. Remember already time is 2 p.m. Now what is happening inside the range? Look at this. First range was this, second range was here, third range is here. Can you see the range is getting smaller to smaller comparing the previous range? Now tell me, is there any aggression? Is there any momentum? Nothing is there. तो obvious है ना, this market is for a sideways. तो यहाँ पे ऑप्शन बायर के लिए कोई काम ही नहीं है सर. डायरेक्शनल ट्रेडर के लिए there is no work here. But what we traders, most traders do in this kind of market, we just break our brains because we want to trade every day, every tick, every move by looking at this candle color. Looking at this candle color. No use. First you need to understand what is suitable for you. That is more important. Any questions, you can message me on the chat box. Time is almost 11:15 now. Okay, one question is, same works with Nifty? Yes, sir. Okay, and Ajay sir's question is on December 1st, 11:30 candle breakout of FVRP. Sir, what is this? What is mean by this FVRP? First, let me know about that, Ajay sir. Okay, and in terms of the strategy, one question is this strategy back tested? Just a minute, I'll be coming back. Just stay on the session. Okay, one question Shiva says, is this back tested? Sir, I have done not even back testing, I have done forward testing on live market also, for your information, Shiva sir. Again this concepts you can use as in your style of trading. Okay, it's not about you can just need to blindly follow this that. No, this is again an educational purpose in which the free webinar is being scheduled, right? So based on that, you need to understand what is more comfortable. This is just an one concept in this price and volume approach. There are many things to be learned. Okay, that but few things cannot be shared on the free webinars. Let me be very clear on it, because free webinars is been getting more less respect nowadays. But my focus is to make you traders to make or go towards the right path towards an profitable trading. That is the reason I'm doing this free webinars and all, because so make use of it. Okay, fixed range volume profile, fine. First December is far away, sir. Let me check if possible anything is there on the 1st December. What is the question? 11:30 candle breakout for why not to trade on 1st December. What's happening on the 11:30? Sir, are you checking the date? First 11:30 candle. This is just an narrow candle. Yampe, what trade you'll be taking, sir? Just check the dates. What you are telling, sir? Okay. बढ़िया कुलदीप sir is telling ये दिल मांगे more. Great, great, sir. Traders who are not subscribed this channel, you can make sure to subscribe this channels, because I have already nowadays trying to do more YouTube individual shorts, 1 minute quick video to explain you different concept. I'll be trying to continuously do it to make sure you can learn from that also. Again for free in this YouTube channel, you can subscribe this channel. Okay, please make sure traders, if you find this useful session, you can share your valuable feedbacks on the Twitter platform. Just tag me learn to trade at learn to trade 365 and you can share your valuable feedbacks. Raj sir is asking, can we use this setup in stocks? Sir, in terms of stocks, I have not tried much in terms of fixed range volume profile. Okay, first need to be checked and then need to be implemented. If you are checking on the stocks, make sure to check on heavyweight stocks, not on some low liquid stocks. Heavyweight index based stocks on various sector, that can be better. Any other questions you can ask in the chat box. Any other questions if you have, you can ask in the chat box. Okay, great. I can see there's no more questions to be addressed. So my plan was to do this session 1.5 hours. Almost time is 11:20 here. Great. So traders, I believe the session was useful to you. To have learned something new. This is just a one step towards in terms of understanding. Okay, and many things might be various. As I mentioned, there is various ways to use volume fixed volume profile. This is one concept which I have shared, because what I believe one at a time. Because first you can check this out during market or after market. First you can check this out. Taking trades, again you need to manage your own risk. You need to understand how much you are risking, everything. All the trades you are taking, you are the one responsible for it. So first you can cross check on the aftermarket, understand it, check for forward test on the live market if you are liking this concept, and then any questions or queries you can message me on Twitter or on the Telegram. Great to know, Pratik sir, it's been useful for you. Raman sir, thank you. Share your feedbacks on the Twitter. Okay, by just tagging me. So by here I will end this session right now. Thank you so much. Because it's a Sunday, I will not be taking much time of you. That is the reason I have told 1.5 hour max I'll be taking this session. So thank you so much. So I could see there is no more question to address. So by now I'll end this session right now. Thank you.